What's up everyone, welcome to the Switching Gears channel. If you're new here, make sure you hit that subscribe button and the alert button. That way you can be reminded what's going on here at the Switching Gears channel. And if you're returning, thanks for coming back. Now I've been putting this off for too long, but a few weeks back, or maybe months back, Mrs. Gears bought multicolor underbody lights for her Heritage Classic. Now today it's probably about 98 degrees in my garage, but we're gonna get through this. These aren't terribly hard to put on as long as you're organized. Now she bought one of those kits off of Amazon that has everything included, so let's go inside and I'll show you all the parts that it comes with. So this is a light kit that Mrs. Gears got off of Amazon. This comes with 12 different lights with multiple different sizes to put where you need them. A control box, some extra wires, 2 different remotes, a breaker, a sticky pad for the control box, and a positive and negative connection for the battery terminal. Alright guys, I apologize. I don't know what happened. I guess my camera might have overheated and it didn't save any of the footage of the beginning part of this install, so I'm just going to walk you through it. Now the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the metal side cover on the other side of the bike. After you remove that metal side cover, there's going to be a plastic piece that covers the battery. It's connected at 3 different points. Make sure you pop those off before you go ahead and pull that out. After you do that, then you can connect the positive and negative terminals. Now what I find the most easiest thing to do is I remove both bolts on each side of the bike, and then you're able to remove the fender off of the bike. Now what I went ahead and did already was I connected 2 lights to the inside of the fender. Now that we got that done, I like to lay the lights out everywhere that I'm going to want to put them. That way I can see a general area of where they're going to be at. Now wherever you're deciding on placing these lights, I recommend going ahead and wiping it down with some alcohol. And after you do that, you're able to remove the backing on the 3M tape and place them where you want them. I like to make sure it's really secure and put zip ties on it as well. Now we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on the other side. Now it's time to route and try to hide these wires. Zip ties are going to be your friend. Alright guys, so that's the second time this camera's overheated because it's so dang hot down here in Florida and in my garage. Now that I cleaned up the wires the best that I could, we're going to go ahead and throw the seat back on and go see how it looks. Now I forgot to mention earlier in the video, but besides using the 2 remotes, this also comes with an app that you can use on your phone and change up the color however you want it. Thanks for tuning into another video today everybody. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure you like the video and subscribe to the channel. We have a new video every other week. See you on the next one, y'all.